Some people leave your life quietly. You remember them occasionally, smile at a few old memories, and eventually move on. But Aries is different. When an Aries enters your love life, they rarely leave without leaving a permanent emotional mark. They may have loved you loudly, argued with you intensely, protected you fiercely, and then disappeared as suddenly as they arrived. Even after the relationship ends, their energy can remain in your mind like an unfinished story. You may remember their confidence, their directness, the excitement they created, or the way they made you feel like the most important person in the world. Loving an Aries can feel like standing close to a fire. It is warm, magnetic, and thrilling, but if you are not careful, it can also burn. So why is the Aries love personality so difficult to forget? Why do their relationships feel more intense than ordinary connections? And what happens emotionally when the fearless ram truly falls in love? Let us uncover the unforgettable truth about Aries in love. Aries is the first sign of the Zodiac, ruled by Mars, the planet traditionally associated with action, desire, courage, passion, and pursuit. This explains why Aries usually does not approach love slowly or cautiously. When they like someone, their interest can become obvious very quickly. They may initiate conversations, make bold compliments, create opportunities to spend time together, or directly admit how they feel. Aries does not always enjoy waiting for love to develop in silence. They want movement. They want chemistry. They want to know whether the connection has real potential. This immediate intensity can be incredibly attractive. The person receiving their attention may feel chosen, desired, and emotionally awakened. Aries can transform an ordinary connection into something exciting almost overnight. That is one reason they are difficult to forget. They do not simply enter your routine. They interrupt it. Aries often treats romance like an emotional adventure. They enjoy the excitement of discovering someone, creating spontaneous moments, and keeping the relationship energetic. An Aries partner may suggest an unexpected trip, make a dramatic romantic gesture, call you late at night because they suddenly miss you, or turn an ordinary evening into an unforgettable memory. They are usually attracted to experiences that feel alive. Repetition without excitement can make them restless, especially during the early stages of a relationship. With Aries, love may feel unpredictable, but it rarely feels completely lifeless. Their enthusiasm can encourage their partner to become more confident, spontaneous, and emotionally open. Years later, someone may not remember every conversation they had with Aries, but they will remember the feeling. They will remember the adrenaline, the laughter, the arguments, the passion, and the sense that something important was always happening. One of the most unforgettable qualities of an Aries lover is their ability to make someone feel intensely desired. When Aries is emotionally invested, they often focus strongly on the person they want. They notice them, pursue them, defend them, and make their attraction difficult to misunderstand. Their attention can feel powerful because Aries does not usually hide enthusiasm very well. Their eyes, voice, body language, and actions may reveal exactly how much they want someone. For a person who has previously experienced emotionally distant or confusing relationships, Aries can feel refreshing. There is often less guessing during the beginning. Their affection may be direct, physical, playful, and energetic. This creates a strong emotional memory. Even if the relationship later becomes complicated, the partner may continue remembering how special Aries once made them feel. Sometimes people do not miss the relationship itself. They miss the version of themselves that existed while Aries was loving them so intensely. Aries often carries a bold and independent energy. Even when they have insecurities, they may still appear courageous, determined, or emotionally strong. This confidence can make them extremely attractive in romantic relationships. Aries may naturally take the lead, make decisions, protect the connection, or encourage their partner to take risks. They are often drawn toward challenges, and sometimes they are especially interested in people who are confident enough to challenge them in return. Aries does not usually want a partner who agrees with everything. They may enjoy playful competition, passionate debates, and someone who can stand their ground without becoming emotionally manipulative. Their confidence can leave a lasting impression because it makes the relationship feel significant. Aries may inspire their partner to become stronger, speak more honestly, or pursue goals they had previously avoided. even after Aries leaves, that influence can remain. The same energy that makes Aries exciting can also make them emotionally difficult. Aries may react before fully processing what they feel. During conflict, they can become impatient, defensive, angry, or extremely direct. They may say something harsh in the heat of the moment and regret it after the emotion passes. Their feelings often rise quickly, but they may also calm down faster than the other person. This can create confusion. Aries may believe an argument is finished because they have released their anger, while their partner is still processing every painful word. Aries usually prefers direct conflict over silent resentment. However, their aggressive communication style can overwhelm someone who needs calmness, patience, or emotional reassurance. The relationship may become a cycle of passion, conflict, apology, attraction, and reconnection. This emotional intensity can create a powerful attachment, making it difficult for both people to let go. When Aries genuinely loves someone, they can become extremely protective. They may defend their partner in public, support them during difficult situations, and refuse to tolerate anyone disrespecting them. Aries often wants to become the person their loved one can depend on when life becomes challenging. Their protection is not always gentle. Sometimes it appears as strong advice, direct confrontation, or an urgent desire to solve the problem immediately. Aries may struggle to simply watch someone they love suffer. They want to act. They want to fight the problem. They want to remove whatever is causing pain. This loyalty can feel unforgettable. Even when Aries is imperfect, their partner may always remember the moments when they stood beside them without hesitation. Aries can make someone feel as though they have a warrior in their corner. Once you experience that kind of loyalty, emotionally passive relationships may feel very different afterward. Although Aries is often described as bold, aggressive, and independent, they also have a surprisingly vulnerable side in love. Behind the confidence is often someone who wants to be admired, chosen, appreciated, and emotionally accepted. Aries may act strong, but rejection can affect them more deeply than they reveal. They do not always know how to express vulnerability calmly. Instead of saying, "I am afraid of losing you," they may become irritated, jealous, distant, or overly competitive. Their anger may sometimes hide sadness. Their pride may hide fear. Their independence may hide a desire to be reassured. When Aries finally feels emotionally safe, they can become playful, affectionate, loyal, and unexpectedly tender. They may reveal insecurities they normally hide from the world. Being allowed to see this softer side can make the connection feel rare. The partner may feel that they knew a version of Aries that very few people were permitted to see. That private tenderness is often one of the hardest things to forget. Aries often wants to feel important in the life of the person they love. They may become uncomfortable when they sense emotional competition, mixed signals, or a lack of attention. Their jealousy is not always caused by insecurity alone. Sometimes it comes from pride. Aries wants to know that the energy they are giving is being returned. If they are pursuing someone who appears emotionally unavailable, Aries may initially become even more determined. But if they repeatedly feel ignored or unappreciated, their passion can turn into frustration. An immature Aries may become possessive, reactive, or competitive. A mature Aries will communicate directly, respect boundaries, and recognize that love cannot be controlled. Their jealousy can create dramatic moments, but it also reveals how seriously they may take the relationship. Aries rarely enjoys feeling emotionally replaceable. They want to know that they are not simply one option among many. Aries can love intensely while still needing freedom. They usually want a relationship that adds excitement and strength to their life, not one that controls every decision. Excessive rules, emotional pressure, or constant monitoring may cause them to pull away. An Aries partner may need personal goals, friendships, challenges, and time to follow their own ambitions. This does not automatically mean they care less. Independence is often part of their identity. The healthiest relationship for Aries includes both closeness and individuality. They want a partner who can love them deeply without attempting to reduce their confidence or limit their movement. Aries is often most attracted to people who have their own purpose. They respect someone who can stand beside them rather than simply follow behind them. When both partners remain independent but emotionally committed, Aries can become extremely loyal and devoted. Aries may appear emotionally tough, but certain experiences can hurt them deeply. They strongly dislike feeling rejected, humiliated, ignored, controlled, or taken for granted. Because Aries often gives love with confidence, emotional rejection can damage their pride as well as their heart. Dishonesty is another major issue. Aries generally prefers a painful truth over confusing behavior. They may forgive mistakes, but they struggle when they believe someone intentionally manipulated or deceived them. Indifference can hurt Aries more than conflict. An argument at least shows emotional involvement. Silence, avoidance, or emotional coldness may make them feel that the relationship no longer matters. When hurt, Aries may react dramatically or leave suddenly. Their departure can appear fearless, but privately they may still replay the relationship for a long time. They may not always return, even when they still care. Pride can prevent them from admitting how much the loss affected them. Breakups involving Aries can feel sudden, intense, and emotionally unresolved. Because Aries often acts quickly, they may make a final decision during a moment of anger or frustration. They can cut communication, remove themselves, and focus on moving forward before the other person fully understands what happened. However, Aries is not always emotionally detached simply because they appear decisive. They may miss the person, remember the passion, and struggle privately with the loss. The problem is that Aries often wants to appear strong. They may avoid reaching out because they do not want to risk another rejection. This creates an unfinished emotional atmosphere. Both people may still care, but neither wants to become the vulnerable one. Aries can also move forward visibly. They may begin new activities, improve themselves, or appear interested in someone else. This can make the former partner feel easily replaced. Even when the emotional truth is more complicated, the speed of their exit often makes the memories feel even more powerful. A mature Aries still has passion, confidence, and independence, but they learn how to manage their intensity. They understand that not every disagreement is a battle to win. They listen before reacting, communicate without intentionally hurting their partner, and recognize that vulnerability is not weakness. Immature Aries does not chase people who repeatedly disrespect them, but they also do not abandon meaningful relationships at the first sign of difficulty. They learn patience. They apologize sincerely. They give their partner space without using distance as punishment. Most importantly, they understand that long-term love needs more than attraction. It needs emotional consistency, trust, accountability, and compromise. When Aries develops these qualities, they can become one of the most inspiring partners in the zodiac, passionate enough to keep love alive and courageous enough to protect it during difficult times. To build a healthy relationship with Aries, honesty is essential. Do not expect them to decode endless hints. Speak clearly about what you need, what you feel, and what is bothering you. Appreciate their efforts. Aries wants to know that their love, loyalty, and energy are being noticed. Give them freedom, but do not become emotionally unavailable. Aries may enjoy pursuit, but constant uncertainty eventually becomes exhausting. Keep your own identity. Continue developing your ambitions, interests, and confidence. Aries is often attracted to strength and authenticity. During arguments, remain calm but firm. Do not attempt to overpower them emotionally, but do not abandon your boundaries either. Most importantly, keep the relationship emotionally alive. Create new experiences, express affection, laugh together, and continue choosing each other intentionally. Aries needs to feel that love is still moving forward. Aries is hard to forget because they rarely love in a small or invisible way. They bring heat, courage, excitement, conflict, devotion, and emotional momentum. They may challenge you, inspire you, frustrate you, and awaken parts of you that have been sleeping. They can make you feel intensely wanted. They can protect you when you feel vulnerable. They can also force you to confront your own fears, boundaries, and emotional habits. Even when the relationship does not last, the transformation often does. You may forget the exact words Aries said, but you will remember the way their presence changed the atmosphere. You will remember how quickly your heart started racing, how alive the connection felt, and how strangely quiet everything became after they left. Aries is unforgettable because their love resembles fire. It can comfort you, strengthen you, illuminate you, or burn you, but it rarely leaves you exactly as it found you, and that is the real Aries love personality, bold enough to enter your heart without permission and powerful enough to remain in your memory long after the story ends.